still have a ton of this stuff left over, and the goal is to finish out this whole tilled area. However, I ran out of T-posts, and with the wind acting how it is, I don't trust this laying down just with bricks. So now I'm about to go grab more bricks with the wheelbarrow and finish out lining each line until we get our pots out here to weight it down, and eventually that little greenhouse is what I call it. It will be a greenhouse. It's gonna go right here in the center of this square, and the husband's gonna frame it out. I already got the plastic for it. This time, instead of 6 mil thickness, I believe we went with 5. I'm very excited, and this should be a really nice area for us here in East Texas to start a really nice garden. So gotta start from somewhere. If you haven't yet subscribed, go on ahead and make sure to follow the journey with us, because it's gonna be really fun and entertaining, I'm sure. So here it is currently. Nice little area to get started. Eventually, like I said, all that is going to be covered as well. This material right here is breathable, and water can just go right through it, which makes it really nice. It's gonna be great for planting. I am very, very excited. And being that this is going to be our floor of the greenhouse means that whenever you're watering and such, it'll just go right down into the ground. So there's not going to be any really weird washouts or anything like that, or collective water to add to mosquito issues or whatever else. So thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. There's about to be a lot more of this.